I completely forgot about the Dovoh winner. We're gonna flip a coin next, and I mean that.
I'm Rick, and this shut the heck up, you stinking roosters.
Nailed that for your sanity!
This is the shack.
Hello, and welcome back to the shack. I completely forgot about the drawing, but unfortunately there's only 2 people that actually said Dovoh in their replies, so it's going to be easy. I'm going to flip a slug. We got a S on one side and we have a G on the other. I am going to turn on my GoPro. Now it's filming, that's filming, this is filming. Say hello. As you see, I got a G and an S. So literally just going to flip a coin and that will determine who wins. Whoop, oh, where'd it go? Well, it landed on the S. So Steve, you win. S again. I guess you're meant to win. Let's just see if it goes one more. 3 for free. I'm just curious. S again. Alrighty. So I will go to the channel homepage, get my channel email address, email me with your shipping information, and I will get that out to you. Simple and easy. I got a couple of videos coming out. I have one of a tabletop you put on your sawhorses to use as a sacrificial tabletop. Use it to cut sheet goods down. Get off the ground, get off your knees, stand up to a more comfortable position and a more safe position to cut your sheet goods down. Don't do it on the ground. I got that video coming out. I'll put a link to that up here and in the description below. And what I'm using to cut the sheet goods down, I am building a pantry cabinet for a customer that may give you some ideas if you have something similar to this in your house. Maybe utilize a little notch in your wall more efficiently. Figure out some way to utilize it, just not have a notch in there, waste of space. Put some in there, put something in there to possibly use for storage or shelving or something. Plain and simple, don't waste that valuable space. We are done. Congratulations, Steve. Again, I will reply to you in the comment section. Email me back and I will get that info to Dovoh and they will ship one of the receivers out to you. Thank you so much for watching. Be blessed. Take back shack. Build it for your sanity. We will see you next video.